All right, marshals, get ready. Drivers, get ready. On its own, less than 5.
Stand right there and watch. No. Walk.
Okay, over 30 seconds in, you got Chris out front, followed by Derek, Tim, Doms, and Chuck. Pretty clean race so far. Except for the start.
When Dom took out Chuck.
Dom taking out Chuck. He's took them out. Oh, watch turn 4. Chuck traction rolling. We gotta jack those rear tires over a little bit, Chuck. Help you out there.
Tim trying to go, he knows.
Watch turn 4, watch turn 4. Your leader is Chris, the black with the orange. Second place is Derek. He's got the blue body with the yellow, fluorescent yellow front bumper. Check that. Tim just moved up to the 7th spot. He's white and blue. Derek dropped to the 3rd spot. Tom driving Team Atomic Cow today. Chuck in the 5th spot on that Toyota body. Should be a Nissan. Coming up on the halfway mark in 2 minutes.
Tim gaining on him?
Tim's 2.4 seconds back behind Chris. Chris has a fast lap of 383. Tim and Dom 394. Derek 395. Chuck 4.1. Tim's 3.2 seconds. He's going the wrong way. Chris is starting to pull away. Drafted behind Chuck. Slingshot through 3 and 4. Minute 20 left. EDM, you're up next. EDM. You are up next. First putting Tim a lap down. 1 minute left. 1 minute, drivers. 1 minute. Next closest battle is between Dom and Derek. Derek is 6/10. I'm sorry, Dom is 6/10 back behind Derek. That's the blue and the yellow battling out. You guys, you got the leader coming up behind you. You can give him a little bit of room. Good job, Dom. Perfect. See if Derek gives him a little room. And he does. Falls back in line. Dom's all over the back of Derek. Let's see if Dom can pass Derek clean with 30 seconds left. He's trying to go, so don't go through his corners too hard. Diving, it's just going to slow you down. Right now, that's the closest battle. With 15 seconds, and they're separated by 4/10. The blue and the cow. Tim's getting closer, or I'm sorry, Dom's getting closer. Let's see what happens. 5 seconds. This is going to be a last lap for both of them. Derek pulled away a little bit. 4/10 behind. Pretty good job there. Chris gets that. Chris gets that with 61. Tim 59. Derek Dom 58. Separated by 4/10. And then Chuck.
You up there driving, Tony? No, it's
Huh?
2:30 left.
Pulling out. It was breaking up yesterday, so you do this, fold it up. Now you're not messing with pulling on this anymore. Oh, come on, I don't want to get beat by Chuck again.